How do I find B2B clients on LinkedIn is a question I hear all the time. So let's unpack that today and talk about finding B2B clients on LinkedIn. You know, LinkedIn is one of those platforms where people are there for business. Unlike a lot of the other platforms where there's a lot of social stuff going on, LinkedIn is the platform that has business first. So if you're looking for B2B clients, you're going to find them there. One of the things that I would like to impress upon you is this. Even though you're selling business to business, there is a human within the business that you're selling to that ultimately you're going to be talking to. And a lot of things that we do when we're speaking to that human within that business are the same things that we do when we're selling B2C. So be mindful that you're not selling to an entire business, that there's generally going to be one person that you're talking to that's going to make that decision as to whether or not to hire you. So having that human approach is definitely going to help you. So here are 3 ideas for you as you're looking to sell B2B on LinkedIn. The first place I would recommend anyone start is using advanced search features inside of LinkedIn. Sometimes these are known as Boolean search queries. I created an entire training on how to construct Boolean search queries, and I'm going to annotate this video with that link so you can go check that out. Maybe I'll put it at the end of this video so that once you consume this content, you can go check that out. Using advanced search features is going to allow you to really zoom in on the companies and the people within those companies that you seek to target. The next thing that I would have you consider is using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. While that might not be right for people who are selling B2C, it is definitely right for you if you're selling B2B, because Sales Navigator is going to give you a whole bunch more information about the companies that you're seeking to market to. This is something that we call account-based marketing, where you research the company, you target very specific individuals within that company to market to so that you can then sell into that business. And then the third area that I would have you focus on is creating content of incredibly high value. LinkedIn is favoring knowledge-based content right now. So your ability to demonstrate that on LinkedIn is going to go a long way. In fact, I have a tip for you on how to do that in just a moment. But before I get to that, if you like this kind of content and you'd like to take a full free class on getting clients from LinkedIn, you can just go to this link right here. I'll put a link on the screen. It's linkedin.proutyclass.com. And Prouty is my last name, class is what I'm giving, and you just put LinkedIn at the beginning of that. So linkedin.proutyclass.com, you'll be able to go and take a free class presented by me on some advanced strategies on getting clients from LinkedIn. So go ahead, go to that link as soon as you can. So the tip that I would like to give you today is about being consistent on LinkedIn. The platform rewards people who show up consistently. And if you'd like the people within the businesses to notice you, showing up consistently on LinkedIn is going to be unbelievably important. So create that knowledge-based content, create it consistently. That means every single day be putting content out there that helps people get better at what they do. And I think that's going to work really well for you. And while everything that I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now. So I'm going to put a link to another video that's going to help you right here. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts whenever I create new content like this. You'll get those alerts before anybody else.